All right, just pulled this piece out. Did a coupon with varying sizes for the different threaded insert sizes. Gonna go ahead and throw that in the oven for heat treatment post print. And then we'll see which size fits best. Okay, done annealing. Let's see how that does on the threaded inserts. Okay, looks like we've got our winners here. So 4mm for the M3, 3.3 millimeters for the M2.5, and this one, no, 3mm for the M2 threaded insert. We'll see how that works on the breadboard breakout board holder.